Dean, what are you doing?
I don't know. What are you laughing at? Hey! Yeah! You! Hey! You!
Dean? I think the spell worked. In fact, I think it worked a little too well.
What?
I think you might be a dog.
What?
You're scratching your head, you're barking at the mailman, you're playing fetch.
Ruh-roh.
Yeah. No, okay. All right, thanks. So, apparently the Inuit spell has some side effects.
Oh, well, that would have been nice to know before I downed it. What kind of side effects?
When you mind meld with an animal, it's possible to start exhibiting some of its behavior.
Don't look at me, Hoss. It ain't my fault.
Well, how long am I gonna have the urge to...
Sniff butts?
Oh, whoa. Hey, I don't have the urge to sniff butts.
Yet.
Do you really have the...
No, come on!
Well, Kevin doesn't know how long it'll last. It's not like it's an exact science, you know? But hopefully, when the spell wears off, so will the side effects.
I wouldn't eat that if I were you. Chocolate? Seriously? Where are we headed?
Back to the shelter.
To sniff out more clues? Maybe dig up something we missed?
All right, one more doggy pun out of you and I'm gonna have your nuts clipped.
I hate to break it to you, Hoss. My sack's emptier than Santa's after Christmas.
Oh, you kidding me? Hey, Dick, move, pigeon!
Screw you, asshat!
What? Wait a minute, can I hear all animals?
Yep. Animals have a universal language, like Esperanto. But this one actually caught on.
And I'm just getting started, too. Brewing a real big one. Ha! Bet your ride's gonna look sweet and white.
What's he saying?
He's being a douchebag.
Who you calling douchebag? Douchebag?
Oh, shut it, you winged rat!
Dude, what? Just calm down. Just get in the car.
That's right, Sally. Go cry to Mama.
Oh, that's it, you son of a bitch!
Get in the car. I think it's probably best to just leave the Colonel in the car.
Excuse me?
Well, all the windows are open.
You think we like that?
We?
You think because the windows are open that that's some sort of a treat, huh? No, the dog's coming in.
Respect.